guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm playing Granny Chapter 2 and let us start playing. Okay. Let us start playing. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, what is this? Oh, what is this? I need a hand wheel. Oh, what is security key? Where should I even use this? What? Where should I use? Here? No. No. Here? No. Then guys, where should I use it? Oh, I think I should use in the second floor maybe. I don't know. Oh my god, if meat are all in this. Oh, I got meat. Yes. Door lock. Oh, Jesus, no. Okay, where? Okay, we'll just use. I think boat key where it is. Ladder. Something is blocking this boat from the other side. What is blocking? Okay. We need. Oh my god, what we want? A piece of a picture. Guys, I got the glass fuse. What is here? Nothing. We need a crowbar. Which is this one? Okay. Oh my god. Where should I use? Guys, weapon key. Where should I put weapon key? Here. The last granny, when I was playing, it was somewhere under the bookshelf. I think in the books I can do something. Okay. It is Slendrinas. I told you guys. Oh. Oh my god, guys. I know one thing. I need to take this gun and I have to shoot them. Oh my god, guys. 3, 2, 1. I need cutting pliers. Painting. Okay. This is a piece of painting. Oh my god, guys. What better. Stun gun. What is this? Shotgun ammo. Actually, where I saw the wrench. 1 second, guys. Where I saw the wrench. Oh yeah, here. Now I take this wrench and I go to the. Okay, nothing here. I take this wrench and I go and put it. Oh my god. What is that sound? Is it coming from here? What is this thing, guys? I think will it attack me? I guess it won't attack me. What is on here? A piece of a picture. Okay guys, we'll drop the wrench here and we just take the stun gun ammo and we come. No, don't attack. We'll take the shotgun. Oh. Guess what is that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. What did that do? I think it won't attack me if I go near it. Helicopter key. Is there even a helicopter in this? Really? Guys, I got everything I needed. Guys, I got everything I needed. Guys, I just got everything. Guys, just 1 second. Let me tell you one thing. Okay guys, I take this and I put this here and I go here and I fall down here and I take this here and I go here again and I go here again and I drop this thing and I go here and I will fall. I'll not fall. Here. I'll go here. I'll take this picture and I go here. I go here. I go here. I go here. 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 And I go here and I drop this. Let me take this. Take this and put this. Oh, actually I need the shotgun. Where did I put the shotgun? Do you guys remember? If you guys remember, just tell me. Oh, now I remember. It is in the Slendriness Daughters. Wait. What? Guys, where's my shotgun? Okay, it's here. here. What? It is grandpa's photo. Okay, one is done. Two is done and another one. Okay guys, what I need to, I have the shot in there. I need the last one. What just happened? Did I fall? Oh guys, I know where's the last piece. What just happened to me? What is this? Okay, what will happen? What will happen if I what is here? Hand grenade. Okay. Oh my god. This just shot the kid. Wait a second. Is this a helicopter? Granny too? I can't start the helicopter yet. Oh, yeah, that's right. I need a gasoline. I need to use this rotor blade. How to rotate this? Guys, did you see anywhere boat key? Oh my god, what is this? I can come from there easily. Now I know there's a helicopter. It can be very nice. Wait. Boat steering wheel. Oh my god, where's the boat? Maybe underground. Because here some things are there. Here? No. I need a shotgun. Wait, what is that? Oh my god, mod. Oh, the boat. What was that? Okay. I can't start the boat yet. Wait, guys. Wait, what I need, let me see this boat. Oh guys, spark plug, I know where it is. Let me take and come. Oh my god, where's the okay, I know where's the spark plug. Let me go and take the spark plug and I will. Oh my god, where am I going? Okay, here, come. I thought I can flush the toilet. But Granny 3. Okay, still dead. Now I need to find the gasoline. But I need to know where's the gasoline. Wait a second. In which should I escape? Which helicopter or boat? Tell me guys, which one? What will happen in this? I can go inside. Okay. I think this button connects to that. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, yes, it's a door. I need a safe key. Wait guys, what is this helicopter? You can now control a helicopter. Yes, I can control a helicopter. And the helicopter key is just here. I can open this. I did not even know. It is helicopter's key. Oh my god, I check everywhere. Then where I even want to go? Okay, there are 2 pieces of shotgun. What is this? Oh my god, what is this? Crowbar! I got a crowbar. Oh my god, where even should I use this crowbar? Oh, it is here. Yes! Now I can escape. No, I cannot escape. To helicopter, I need duct tape. Let's see, we can escape or not. Let me put into the boat. Let me see what will happen. This is Granny chapter 2. Oh my god. Oh. This is like a little bit creepy. Yes, I can just see. Guys, I will escape. I'll escape. Just see, guys. I can escape with this thing. Just see, guys. I know one thing. Just see, guys. I know one biggest thing in my world. Just see, guys. Okay, guys. This thing. Take this and I came to the helicopter. I can escape, guys. I know everything. Now I know how to escape, guys. Oh my god, I can go through that shortcut and then how did I open this one? In that I could come. Oh my god. Guys, I'm very proud, guys. I can escape. Now I knew I can escape. Oh my god. Now I have duct tape. I can do anything I want. Oh my god, guys. Let me take this and put to the helicopter. Oh my god, what is this? Okay guys, now I go here, and I put this to the blade. Now guys, I just go and take the helicopter key and I escape. Oh my god guys, where did I even put the helicopter key? Okay, here the helicopter key. Now everyone say bye bye to Granny 2. Bye bye Granny 2. I'm escaping. Bye bye. I have the helicopter key. Now I can do everything smoothly. I'll go from here. I did the photo. And I did all this, and I did this, and I put the okay glass. Yes, I'll make sure that Granny won't come, and I will escape from this house. Okay, guys, are you ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1.